This video is a kind of an emotional one for me because this is not the way I planned my 2026 to be. So around December last year, 2025, I got this particular channel monetized and I was so happy. But my joy was cut short because they demonetized me, I think, after um 4 days or 5 days of monetizing this channel. Okay, I'm going to put up the pictures. I got demonetized, and after checking my videos and all that, I saw what I did wrong, and okay, I was ready to make amends. I deleted all the videos, but why am I making this video now? Because something terrible happened yesterday. Being I don't know when this video is coming up, but on the 7th of January, I received another shocking email. My major channel, my main channel, which I linked when I was monetizing this channel, I used the same AdSense for the two of them. Okay, so they demonetized my main channel. Why? Due to related channel. I'm going to put it here, okay, because the two channels are related. So if you're operating two channels and one get monetized, definitely they are going to demonetize every other channel that you are operating on. That's their new rule, that's their new policy. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, the new policy is that when you're operating more, sorry again, so the new policy is now when you're operating more than one channel, and if they are linked together, once one is demonetized, the other will follow suit. Okay, if you're using one access, the other will follow suit. So yesterday, being 7th of January, I woke up to the sad news of my major channel getting demonetized due to this particular channel. I don't know where to start from. But please, if you're seeing this video, make sure you engage, you watch the end, because I'm going to be telling you guys the whole truth and how to avoid the mistake I made. Don't make the same mistake I made. I'm going to tell you the mistakes I made and how to avoid them. All right. So here is what happened. Okay, so this channel is actually my lifestyle channel where I showcase lifestyle and also motivate people in different aspects. Okay, so I was being consistent on this channel until November last year when I started silent live streaming. So I was showing my face and doing everything, but I came across people doing all this quiz silent live streaming, and I was like, okay, let me hop in. Okay, the thing is that the system does not actually see it as a bad thing, but when you are doing one thing over and over again, they see it. There's no originality. There's no You're not adding any value and all that. They're seeing it as you are repeating one thing over and over again. You might go out there and you will still see people doing it and they are going free. But let me tell you, when YouTube decides to come for you, when they decide to come for you, they are not going to escape it. Okay, so, and that's what happened. Okay, I was doing it and I was going free. I got monetized. I was happy. I was already seeing dollars. I've made money, like I've made money, and all of a sudden, boom, YouTube, they strike. And even my second channel that they removed on the 7th, I have money there. And okay, anyway, it's not YouTube fault. I see it as my fault and I take full responsibility because I know what I did, which is repeating. They strike me because of repetitive content. Okay, I did a live stream where I used different questions. I generated them myself because you may say that you are generating your questions yourself. I generated my questions myself. I detailed them myself, but it's the same style. We are using the same style, the same everything, and all that over and over again. And that was what happened. Okay, and the channel got demonetized. So I have deleted all the videos that caused that to me, all the live stream that caused that. I have deleted them. Right now, this channel will focus on personal experiences, lessons, commentary, and personal growth, and what you can actually do and avoid on YouTube. This is what I'll be focusing on right now in this channel. If you're a creator, learn this early. Learn it early. Originality is not just what you say, but how you keep saying it and presenting it over and over again. It's not just about what you're saying, but how you present it matters, and how you keep saying it matters in this street of YouTube. So guys, if you want honest lessons, honest reviews from a creator's journey, you're welcome to subscribe. Let's grow together.